In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find sent emails on Outlook on PC. 5 minutes. We'll keep this simple and clear. By the end, you'll know exactly where your sent messages live in Outlook on your Windows computer, how to open them quickly, and a few tips to make finding specific emails easier. First, open the Outlook app on your PC. This is the full Outlook application from Microsoft 365 or Office, not just a web browser tab. If you see the new Outlook interface or you're using the classic desktop version, that's fine. This process works the same way. Make sure you're signed into the correct account and let Outlook finish syncing so everything is up to date. Once Outlook is open, look to the left side of the window. That side panel is your folder list, the home for your inbox, drafts, deleted items, and importantly, sent items. If the panel looks collapsed or too narrow, hover over the edge and drag it wider, or click the arrow or hamburger icon to expand it. If you use multiple accounts in Outlook, you'll see each account's folders grouped under its name. Choose the account you sent the message from to view that account's folders. Next, find and click Sent Items. You might see it under Favorites at the top or within the main folder list for your mailbox. If your folders are grouped, expand the mailbox by clicking the small arrow next to it to reveal all folders. Sent Items is a built-in system folder, so it will always be associated with each email account in Outlook. When you open Sent Items, you'll see all the emails you've sent from that account. Outlook usually sorts them with the most recent at the top. You'll notice columns like To, Subject, and Date. These help you scan quickly. Double-click any message to open it in full, or preview it in the reading pane on the right if you prefer. A few quick tips to help you find exactly what you need. Use the search box above the message list to look for a recipient's name, a subject keyword, or a phrase you remember typing. Make sure the search scope is set to the current folder so you're only searching sent items. You can also sort the list by clicking the column headers like date or to, and use filters to narrow by time frame. If emails don't appear right away, confirm you're in the correct account's sent items and give Outlook a moment to sync. That's it. Open Outlook, check the left folder panel, click Sent Items, and your sent emails are all there. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.